Hello everyone, welcome to Keep Adding Values channel. I am Alex. In this video, I will share with you 17 online words internet users should know. Number 1. 5G is the fifth generation of cellular data technology. It succeeds 4G and related technologies, including LTE. The first 5G cellular networks were constructed in 2018, while 5G devices became widespread in 2019 and 2020. The benefits of 5G include faster speeds, low latency, and greater capacity. The theoretical maximum data transfer rate of 5G is 20 gigabytes per second. That is 20 times faster than LTE Advanced, which has a peak download speed of 1000 Mbps. Number 2. 404 error is a common website error message that indicates a web page cannot be found. It may be produced when a user clicks an outdated or broken link or when a URL is typed incorrectly in a web browser's address field. Some websites display custom 404 error pages, which may look similar to other pages on the site. Other websites simply display the web server's default error message text, which typically begins with "not found." Regardless of the appearance, a 404 error means the server is up and running, but the web page or path to the web page is not valid. Number 3. Inbox. Inbox is the main folder that your incoming mail gets stored in. Whether you check your mail through a webmail interface or use a program, each downloaded message gets stored in your inbox. Number 4. CC stands for carbon copy. The term comes from carbon copying, in which a piece of carbon paper copies writing from one paper to another. However, the term is now commonly used in reference to email. When you send an email message, you typically type the recipient's address in the "to" field. If you want to send the message to one or more other recipients, you can use the CC field to add additional addresses. This will send the email to the address in the "to" field and to each address listed in the CC field as well. The CC option is often used in business communications when a message is intended for one person but is relevant to other people as well. Number 5. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. BCC is an email field that allows you to blind copy one or more recipients. It is similar to the CC field, but email addresses listed in the BCC field are hidden from all recipients. When you BCC someone, that person receives a single copy of the email. He or she will not receive any replies to the message. Therefore, blind carbon copying is a useful way to share an email with one or more users who don't need to follow the email thread. Number 6. Spam. It refers to an irrelevant or inappropriate messages sent to the internet to a large number of recipients. The slang word spam is widely used to refer to unsolicited messages, example, instant messages and emails, messages in blogs, forums, and user groups, and comments or likes on social media posts, and so on. It also refers to a junk email or irrelevant postings to a news group or bulletin board. Spamming other people is definitely not cool and is one of the most notorious violations of internet etiquette. Number 7. CAPTCHA is a program used to verify that a human rather than a computer is entering data. CAPTCHAs are commonly seen at the end of online forms and ask the user to enter text from a distorted image. The text in the image may be wavy, have lines through it, or may be highly irregular, making it nearly impossible for an automated program to recognize it. Fortunately, most CAPTCHAs allow the user to regenerate the image if the text is too difficult to read. Some even include an auditory pronunciation feature. By requiring a CAPTCHA response, webmasters can prevent automated programs or bots from filling out forms online. This prevents spam from being sent through website forms. Number 8. Broadband refers to high-speed data transmission in which a single cable can carry a large amount of data at once. The most common types of internet broadband connections are cable modems and DSL modems. Because of its multiple channel capacity, broadband has started to replace baseband, the single channel technology originally used in most computer networks. Number 9. Cloud. The term cloud comes from early network diagrams, in which the image of a cloud was used to indicate a large network. The cloud eventually became associated with the entire internet, and the two terms are now used synonymously. The cloud may also be used to describe specific online services, which are collectively labeled cloud computing. Traditional internet services like web hosting, email, and online gaming may also be considered part of the cloud, since they are hosted on internet servers rather than users' local computers. Number 10. Cookie is a small amount of data generated by a website and saved by your web browser. Its purpose is to remember information about you, similar to a preference file created by a software application. While cookies serve many functions, their most common purpose is to store login information for a specific site. Some sites will save both your name and password in a cookie, while others will only save your username. Whenever you check a box that says, "Remember me on this computer," the website will generate a login cookie once you successfully log in. Each time you revisit the website, you may only need to enter your password, or you might not need to log in at all. Number 11. Cyberspace. It does not have a standard objective definition. Instead, it is used to describe the virtual world of computers. For example, an object in cyberspace refers to a block of data floating around a computer system or network. With the advent of the internet, cyberspace now extends to the global network of computers. So, after sending an email to your friend, you could say you sent the message to her or him through cyberspace. Number 12. Firewall. Firewall is a wall made of brick, steel, or other inflammable material that prevents the spread of fire in a building. That is what we commonly know. In computing, a firewall serves a similar purpose. It acts as a barrier between a trusted system or network and outside connections, such as the internet. However, a computer firewall is more of a filter than a wall, allowing trusted data to flow through it. A firewall can be created using either hardware or software. Many businesses and organizations protect their internal networks using hardware firewalls. A single or double firewall may be used to prevent untrusted data from ever reaching the LAN. Software firewalls are more common for individual users and can be custom configured via a software interface. Number 13. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the language used to create web pages. Hypertext refers to the hyperlinks that an HTML page may contain. Markup language refers to the way tags are used to define the page layout and elements within the page. Next one is very popular to most of us. Number 14. Social media is a collection of internet-based communities that allow users to interact with each other online. This includes web forums, wikis, and user-generated content websites. However, the term is most often used to describe popular social networking websites such as Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Number 15. Avatar. Generally speaking, an avatar is the embodiment of a person or idea. However, in the computer world, an avatar specifically refers to a character that represents an online user. Avatars are commonly used in multiplayer gaming, online communities, and web forums. Number 16. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows the exchange of data between different devices. While Bluetooth uses wavelength to transmit information, it generally only works within a short distance for the devices to stay connected. Number 17. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as computers, laptops or desktops, mobile devices, smartphones and wearables, and other equipment, printers and video cameras to interface with the internet. Internet connectivity occurs through a wireless router. Those are the 17 online words that internet or online users should know. Watch out for the episode 3 of this video. Thank you for watching. If you feel this video gives values to you, subscribe and share it to those who might benefit from it. See you next time.